Tired of that sinking feeling when you realize you're paying for a subscription you never use? Or maybe you just wish you had a crystal clear picture of your entire financial life, all in one place. You've probably heard of Rocket Money, and while the free version is great for getting a grip on your spending, the premium membership is where you really take off. Think of it as your personal financial concierge. For a customizable monthly fee between $6 and $12, Rocket Money Premium transforms your financial journey from a bumpy ride into a smooth flight. So, what exactly do you get for that? First, there's the subscription cancellation concierge. The free version helps you identify all your subscriptions, but with Premium, Rocket Money will actually do the work for you. With just a few taps, they'll contact the company and handle the cancellation. No more waiting on hold, no more awkward conversations, just effortless savings. And on that note, they also offer a bill negotiation service where they'll work to get you a lower rate on things like your internet or cell phone bill, saving you even more money. They only take a cut of the savings if they're successful, so there's no risk. Beyond cutting costs, Rocket Money Premium gives you powerful tools to build your wealth. You can create unlimited budgets and custom categories, allowing you to get granular with your spending and truly understand where every dollar goes. It also unlocks net worth tracking, giving you a comprehensive view of your assets and liabilities, so you can watch your financial picture improve over time. Plus, Premium gives you access to a real-time account sync, so you're always looking at the most up-to-date information on all your linked accounts. And let's not forget about credit. With Premium, you get weekly updates to your credit score and access to your full credit report. This isn't just a simple snapshot, it's a deep dive into the factors affecting your score, empowering you to make smarter financial decisions. The Rocket Money Premium membership takes the stress out of managing your money by putting powerful, proactive tools right at your fingertips. It's about more than just saving a few bucks, it's about taking back control of your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.